Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the assessment, planning and billing section within the examination form. The assessment section provides a comprehensive summary of the patient's condition, incorporating all test examination results recorded in the form. Planning section uses these observations to better diagnose the patient's health issues and create a treatment plan, while the billing section ensures accurate and efficient billing by automatically adding codes for each procedure and test performed. Please note that for this video, the form has been customized to enhance understanding of how the assessment, planning and billing panel of the examination form functions. For a more comprehensive explanation of the features and sections covered in this video, please refer to the user manuals linked in this video's description. We will now take a deep dive into the following sections within this form and give an explanation of each. Diagnosis is where the practitioner utilizes the data collected during the assessment to establish a definitive diagnosis. Add a diagnosis by entering the ICD-10 code or name of the diagnosis in the diagnosis field. You can also click on the ellipse button to open the ICD-10 builder screen and select the applicable diagnosis codes from here. Please note that if the form has been set up to auto-populate the diagnosis codes based on the information entered, they will be added here automatically. If you wish to remove a code from the list, click on the delete button. The assessment section details the type of assessment conducted on the patient, along with any additional notes and observations recorded during the examination. Click on the assessment field to enter your notes. Please note that assessments can also be added from the consideration section. To add a voice note to your notes, click on the Add Voice Recording button. Click on the Open Theatre Manager button to access the theatre management screen and to determine when the patient can be booked for surgery. Considerations captures all relevant considerations and observations made during the examination. Please note that these are populated from the information that has been filled in various panels within the form. Click on the desired consideration to copy the name of the consideration into the plan fields of the plan section. Additionally, you can click on the copy button to add the consideration to the assessment field. To remove the consideration from the list, click on the delete button. The plan section outlines the recommended treatment based on the previously set up assessment. This may include prescribing medication, recommending corrective lenses, or suggesting further diagnostic tests or procedures as necessary. Click on the plan field to add your notes. Please note that plan notes can also be added from the consideration section. Medicine items customized in the form will automatically appear in the plan section. Tick the corresponding checkbox of the script item that you want to add to a script. Once done, click on the Add to Script button to add the selected items to a script. A new script workflow event will be added to the active form section of the patient. Task items can be created to assign specific responsibilities to individuals within the practice who will need to carry out these tasks for the patient. These task items aren't necessarily what needs to be done on the patient during the examination, but it's kind of like a reminder for future tasks. Click on the Add button to insert a new task item. Please note that task items do not appear on the form when printed, as they are administrative features and not clinically relevant. Procedure items are procedures that were performed whilst examining the patient. Like before, click on the Add button to insert a new procedure item. Follow-up is utilized to determine when the patient should return for a follow-up after their procedure or appointment by selecting a time frame in days, weeks, months or as needed, which is pro rata. Depending on your choice, the follow-up screen will open where you can select the desired number of days. Click on the OK button to save your selection. To utilize the AND PRN option, select the desired time frame first, then click on AND PRN. Follow-up items are tasks used as a reminder of what needs to be done, examined or assessed when the patient is seen during follow-up. Click on the Add button to insert a new follow-up item. Please be aware that follow-up items added will appear on all future examination forms until they are removed, serving as a reminder. They will also be accessible on the patient dashboard under the follow-up widget, making it easy to know what needs to be done at each follow-up appointment. It's important to note that follow-up items do not appear on printed forms, as they are administrative features and not clinically relevant. In the line section, you will find billing codes that are either populated from the procedures performed during the examination, if set up, or codes that have been manually added for billing the patient. To remove a billing code from the list, click on the delete button. Otherwise, proceed and click on the add line button to insert a new billing code to the form. On the new line that has appeared, click on the type to search field to search for the desired billing code. Once done, click on the Add to Invoice button to add all the billing codes in the line section to an invoice. A notification will appear to advise that the invoice was created successfully. Click on the Invoice Details tab to access the invoice screen where the lines were added. You are able to add the practitioner's signature by clicking on the Doctor's Signature button. From here, you can either manually draw the signature or load it from the system by entering the user's PIN.